So a driver runs a red light, hits you at full speed, and you think, well, this is an easy case. It's obvious they're at fault, right? But here's the reality. It's not automatic. Stories change. Even in a red light crash, insurance companies still fight it. And here's why. They're not just looking at what happened. They're looking for any way to shift blame to you. So they might say that you were speeding, or you entered on a late yellow. You could have avoided the crash. You were on your phone. Your tires were bald. You didn't slow down. And in North Carolina, that matters because of contributory negligence. If they can prove you were even 1% at fault, you could lose your entire case. So even when somebody clearly runs a red light, the fight's not over. It's actually just getting started. So how do you prove what actually happened? It comes down to evidence. Traffic camera footage, dash cams, witness statements, the police report, even the position of the vehicles after impact or skid marks can show us things. All of that helps show who had the light and who didn't. But here's the problem. That evidence, it doesn't last forever. Camera footage can be deleted in days or weeks. Witnesses forget details. The traffic scene changes quickly. So if the evidence isn't preserved early, it's gone. And once it's gone, it's your word versus theirs. Now let's talk about impact. These are serious crashes. Usually they're T-bones. High speed, side impact, which means less protection for you. That leads to serious injuries. Head injuries, spinal damage, broken bones, internal damage. These are the kind of injuries that take months or years or never to recover from. That's exactly why these cases are fought so hard. The insurance companies know that the cost of these cases is high. They know you deserve a lot, so they fight these hard. Now, what should you do after a red light crash? Call 911, get a police report, get medical care immediately. If you feel okay or you feel even a little bit of pain, my advice is your back and neck injuries are going to get worse over the next 24 to 72 hours. So if you're hurting now, you're going to hurt worse tomorrow. So get medical care immediately. Don't admit fault, don't apologize, and don't talk to the insurance company before getting advice. Because what you say early can shape your entire case. And at the end of the day, a red light accident may seem clear, but proving it is what actually wins your case. So remember, if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane, 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.